Steren Electronics is pleased to introduce the new fiber optic assurance tools. Installer-friendly fiber optic display testers. Our new fiber optic display testers blend high efficiency and high accuracy with ease of operation and provide the field technician with the right set of measurements in an easy-to-read, pass-fail format. Optical power meter. With the ruggedized optical power meter, the technician is able to evaluate and troubleshoot traditional fiber jumper installations with common lambda settings and measurement of the dBm and XW levels present. The light source is incorporated into the device, which helps the installer to quickly evaluate fiber jumper installations. The optical power meter has the following specifications: multi-wavelength precise measurement, absolute power measurement of dBm or XW, relative power measurement of dB, 270, 330, 1K, 2 kHz frequency light identification and indication, low voltage indication, automatic wavelength identification with the help of the light source, 1,000 groups of data storage, real-time clock RTC, 650 VFL output, application to versatile adapter FC, ST, SC, and LC. The PON power meter. This ruggedized PON power meter is specially designed for passive optical network PON construction and maintenance, which can be connected between OLT and ONT. This device allows the technician to evaluate and troubleshoot a passive optical network or PON jumper installation with common lambda settings and a selection of the standard analyzer settings in a pass-fail format. The PON's key specs and features include testing of 3 PON power system wavelengths synchronously, 1490 nm, 1550 nm, and 1310 nm. Suitable for all PON networks, APON, BPON, GPON, and EPON. User-defined threshold settings. Supply 3 groups of threshold values, analyzer and displays pass-fail status. Relative value or differential loss. Sets 3 threshold values, uploads data, and calibrates wavelengths through management software. 32-digit CPU, easy to operate, simple and convenient. Our fiber optic testers have the following physical features: cost-efficient palm-sized design for field and lab testing, scratch and shatter resistant tempered glass display, built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Our new fiber optic display testers are the ultimate combination of value and performance, and both feature improved functionality. The fiber optic display testers are designed to provide the field technician with the right set of measurements in an easy-to-read, pass-fail format. Save time and money by eliminating future truck rolls and customer service complaints. Technicians can use this device to verify the passive fiber jumper quality and functionality on the first visit. Quick and easy setup and troubleshooting. A technician can power up and, using the included set of adapters, connect the new fiber jumper tester with LCD display effortlessly. And within minutes, a technician can use this tester to verify a new jumper or troubleshoot a problem in an existing installation. Steren's new fiber optic display testers deliver high precision and high performance to your fiber network.